ready to team up and conquer Elden Ring Nightreign? A new 2-player mode might be coming to this epic co-op adventure. Today on GadInsider, we're diving into the latest update news and what's dropping May 30, 2025. Stick around, this is FromSoftware's next masterpiece. GadInsider, your ultimate source for gaming, tech, and epic quests. Elden Ring Nightreign launches May 30th on PC, PS4, PS5, Xbox One, and Series X with solo and 3-player co-op modes at release. But here's the big news, FromSoftware is considering a 2-player mode post-launch. Let's break it down. Director Junya Ishizaki told IGN the game's built for 3-player co-op with dynamic maps that shift each run, new enemies, and brutal bosses. Solo mode's also in, no internet needed, but fans on X were shocked there's no duo mode yet. Ishizaki admitted it was overlooked but could come later. A 2-player mode would let you and a friend dive into Nightreigns roguelike chaos together, facing fresh challenges like wall running and gliding with spectral hawks. With 35 40-minute runs and 8 pre-made characters, this could make duos unstoppable. FromSoftware is listening to fans, so expect updates after the May 30 launch. The ever-changing Limveld world and fierce multiplayer action already have X buzzing with hype. This is Elden Ring like you've never seen before. With solo, 3-player co-op, and a possible duo mode, Nightreign is set to dominate. Pre-order now and get ready to hunt in Limveld next week. GadInsider fam, which mode are you hyped for? Solo, 3-player, or the new duo mode? Drop it in the comments, hit that subscribe button, and ring the bell to stay locked in to GadInsider.